1770s vibe, a genius at play, composing tunes that still slay today. He wrote it light for a string quartet, but the punch it packs, a surefire bet. Allegro first, so bold and grand, with violins taking a noble stand. Eine kleine Nachtmusik tonight, Serenade us under the starlight. Let the violas hum and the cellos sigh. Mozart's magic will never die. Eine kleine Nachtmusik tonight, classical vibes that feel just right. From rooftops high to ballroom floors, this tune still knocks on music's doors. Don't let the Kleine fool your mind. It's grand and playful, rich and refined. A serenade for strings so tight, played in gardens by candlelight. Second movement slow, so sweet, romantic like the moonlit street. Then Menuetto comes to dance, with courtly steps and a twirling stance. Eine kleine Nachtmusik tonight, serenade us under the starlight. Let the violas hum and the cellos sigh. Mozart's magic will never die. Eine kleine Nachtmusik tonight, classical vibes that feel just right. From rooftops high to ballroom floors, this tune still knocks on music's doors. Vinyl is fast with flare and spark. Strings go wild like a Mozart lark. No flutes, no drums, no brass parade, just strings that rock the colonnade. Still on playlists, films and phones, Mozart's music shakes our bones. A timeless track in tux or tea, from symphony hall to your SUV. He wrote it maybe for no big reason, just a tune for a summer season. Yet centuries later we still groove to every graceful genius move.